Hi, I'm David Fassman from Kayaks by Kalita's Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to brew a Kalita wave. First thing that we're going to do is weigh out 24 grams of coffee for our 12-ounce brew. I'm going to be using our Kenya today. It's a coffee that I really love to make our 12-ounce cup of coffee. I'm going to take some water. I'm going to use this water to wash the filter and to preheat the decanter at the same time. And we're washing this out because we don't want our coffee to taste like paper. It's pretty simple. Let that drain through a little bit. And after that all drains through, we're going to dump out any of this excess water. Water for brewing coffee should be 195 to 205 degrees. So we're going to set this water aside real quick and we're going to grind our coffee. So for Kalitas, we grind on a medium grind setting. Make sure all those grounds are out of the grinder. We're going to add that in, tear out our scale, and we're going to settle the grounds to make sure there's no air pockets. Nice flat surface to play with. And then I'm going to start to pour. And I'm going to start to pour as I start my timer at the same time. And I'm going to pour just enough water to fully saturate the grounds. CO2 is actually coming off this coffee, and that's called the bloom. And we're going to wait for about 30 to 45 seconds as this coffee blooms. Kind of bubbles, all sorts of different things. It's fun to watch. It's like a living, breathing thing. So we're going to continue to pour right now. And I pour slowly and continuously in small circles. And I find that this way it makes it so that I can consistently pour the same cup every time. Kalita is actually a Japanese brew method. This one's made out of stainless steel, but they make them in all sorts of different materials. You can get glass ones, ceramic ones, and I love the Kalita. It provides a cup that's not too low a body and not too high a body. I really love the flat bottom of the Kalita because it allows for a really even extraction of the coffee. The Kalita makes sure that water passes through all of the grounds evenly, which gives us a more even extraction at the end. We're looking for about a 2.5 to 3 minute extraction time. And I stopped pouring at 400 grams of water, which is about 14 ounces of water. 2 of those ounces will be retained in the grounds, which will leave us with 12 ounces of brewed Kenya. Near the end of the brew, it's going to come through. Our bed of ground should be almost flat. If you find that it's running too fast, fine up your grind a little bit. If you find that it's running too slow, you can always coarsen your grind a little bit. We're going to stop our timer, and we're going to swirl our coffee to ensure that it's completely integrated. And then we enjoy our coffee.